Okay, so this is the start of my Easter porch. That sign was pretty much the inspiration. And then I made the wreath, which will go on the front door. And that wreath will probably go in the back. And I have this little bunny head. But what my plan is, hold on, this is just laying out. Nothing's really attached. But this is what I'm doing for my door topper. Let's see. So it'll be something like that. That'll hang down the side of the door. And I still have to make bows in the matching ribbons that'll match the wreath. And I wanted to share with you these. These are little bags. All right, it's pretty much done. Unless I get it hung and see that something needs fixed. So I didn't think I'd get it done this quick. I think it's gonna look cute. These are little bags from Dollar Tree, and I stuffed them. Let me see here. I stuffed them and put some fake greenery in them, and then I'll use the little ties to tie them on so they'll sort of hang down off the door topper. And so those are super cute. I'm shocked how cute those turned out. And then this little guy's from the Dollar Tree too. I'm going to try to put him in the center, or I may just take him off. I'm not sure he's going to work. But it's just a bunch of Easter stuff. So we'll see how it turns out.